this is how to make pancakes. They taste very good. So you're gonna need some flour, an egg, and some baking powder, and some vanilla essence. Be quiet. Fucking butter, add some sugar and some milk. You're also gonna need a big red bowl and a fork and some measuring spoons and some cups. Right, stick in about a quarter cup of sugar in there. Crack a fucking egg. Fuck!
All over my bench.
Nice! Oi, that was worse than last time.
Oh wait, that's not better.
You gotta whisk that shit in there, mate. Just like this, eh? Fucking... Probably use a deeper bowl than me. Gonna need to stick in about a cup of flour and half a tablespoon of that baking powder, and add in about 3/4 cups of milk, just like so. Oh fuck, I got it on the fork. Fuck, such a dingus.
Oh, I don't want fish.
Oh, fucking gross. Yeah, mix that shit in there.
Looks like baby vomit.
Fuck up your shit, cunt. Yeah, you're gonna need to melt some fucking butter and put that shit in there. You don't actually know how much. Just some, Don't put the paper in there. Fucking melt that shit in the microwave. Right, I'm gonna bust off that mix in here. And then your fucking batter's done. You just gotta make sure you mix that shit in properly or it's gonna taste like fucking AIDS. First you're gonna need to lube up your pan, so if you have cooking spray it's good, but Callum's a cheap cunt, doesn't have that shit. Just fucking paper towel and a bit of oil, Then get that shit all nice and fucking oily. Fuck, how do you even use this shit, Callum?
You know how to...
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, bust it, Joel. Jesus, yeah, bust that shit in there.
Oh, I thought you made one big one, never mind.
No, why would I make one at a time?
No, like one giant one.
No. What? What fucking mad country do you come from where they make giant pancakes? Pancakes. This is fucking with fake. Yeah, fuck yeah. Oh, fucking kill it. Oh, isn't that fucking in the fucking formats? This is probably. You know, like, yeah, formats. Right, I'll be rough, fucking nice. That's fucking on top. You know, the nice ready. Go on top. Yeah, it's see that shit? Yeah, on top. Fucking. Oh, yeah, she's like, fuck. Oh, yeah, that's some good shit right there. Yeah, we'll just teach a little bit. Yeah, yeah, I'll talk to you. You're sure what's coming from me? Oh, that fucking beautiful. Cool them on your fucking oven rack. We call it like Jesus. Off. You experience fucking engine fucking scene. Oh, fucking stop being such a little. Holy constipation is okay. That should be my tutorial on how to fuck shit up. Right guys, it was my tutorial on how to make pancakes. As you can see, I've completely fucked shit up. Oh, I would recommend you use an electric frying pan for that reason. They're so much better. And have them with maple syrup and shit.
Oh, we got... Oh no, we're not. Never mind.
Fuck you.
I was gonna say we had cream, but we don't.
Oh, why would I want cream? Ooh!
Cream's fucking great.
You know, my girlfriend puts cream on her pussy. That's why I don't eat the cream at my house anymore.
Actually?
Yes.
What?